When you're looking for a recipe that's perfect for a toddler who's just starting eating, but just as interesting for an adult, these chicken Parmesan meatloaf bites are a total win. Here's how you make them. To start, in a big bowl, you're gonna add a pound of ground chicken, 1 large egg, a half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, a half a cup of marinara sauce, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, a half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 small onion diced, 1 garlic clove minced. Mix everything up in a standing mixer or with a spoon in your bowl and make it till it's thoroughly combined. Now, using an ice cream scooper or a small spoon, level out about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of the mixture in greased muffin tins. I like to use mini muffin cups, but you can totally use regular size too. You're gonna bake them in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're cooked through and starting to get just a little golden on top. When they're finished, they look like this. You can put a little dollop of ketchup or even mustard on top, and that is like the little perfect bite you've been dreaming of. Just deliciousness. For more fast, fresh, and easy recipes like this and more, check out Weelicious.com. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below telling me what would you serve with your chicken Parmesan meatloaf bites.